What is a Python equivalent of Php's var_dump? When debugging in PHP, I frequently find it useful to simply stick a var_dump in my code to show me what a variable is, what its value is, and the same for anything that it contains. What is a good Python equivalent for this?
To display a value nicely, you can use the print module. The easiest way to dump all variables with it is to do. If you are running in CGI, a useful debugging feature is the git module, which displays the value of local variables as part of the traceback.
PHP's var_export usually shows a serialized version of the object that can be exec d to recreate the object. The closest thing to that in Python is repr. For many types, this function makes an attempt to return a string that would yield an object with the same value when passed to eval.
I think the best equivalent to PHP's var_dump $foo, $bar is combined print with vars.
The closest thing to PHP's var_dump is print, with the getMembers function in the built-in inspect module.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.